Section 2.2 Resonance. Ozone may have two resonance structures here, and you can see there's a formal charge on top of the center oxygen here and here. And then you have -1 charge on this oxygen on the right hand side or on the left hand side. You have this double bond on the left hand side or on the right hand side. So if you ask me what's the bond order here, I would say it's 1.5. What's the bond order here? Again, you take the average of 1 and 2, it's 1.5. Now look at the structure of every single oxygen atom. Each is surrounded by 8 valence electrons. They obey the octet rule perfectly. Now let's look at NO3 minus nitrate. If we look at this ion, we have a total of 24 valence electrons. 5 from nitrogen, 6 from each of the 3 oxygen atoms, and then there's a negative charge here. So if we have 24 valence electrons, we first connect all atoms with a single bond. So here, here, and here. And then 24 minus this 6 bonding electrons, we have 18. We give these 18 electrons to the most electronegative atoms, in this case the 3 oxygen atoms. And then we use it up. So this is one of the resonance structures. However, this nitrogen is surrounded by only 6 valence electrons. How do we fix this? We just give these 2 electrons from this oxygen to over here. Between oxygen and nitrogen, it becomes a bond. So you have a double bond here, and then you can have a double bond here or here. So you have a total of 4 resonance structures. In this 3, each atom is surrounded by 8 valence electrons. In here, there's one exception. Nitrogen is surrounded by only 6 valence electrons. And what's more, this one is bad because you have -1 formal charge on each of the 3 oxygen atoms. -1, -1, -1. And this nitrogen has a +2 formal charge because we need to just assign half of the bonding electrons to nitrogen, that's 3. It's supposed to be surrounded by 5, so it has a +2 formal charge. +2, -1, -1, -1. That's bad. And over here you have, actually it's +1 here. -1, -1. So in total the formal charge is 1 + 1 + 1. That's only 3, the absolute values, okay? And over here a -1, -1, +2, a total of 5. From 5 to 3, that's a big improvement. So that's why the 3 resonance structures are favored resonance structures.